Asuntoskeittiö Mäki-Korhola, Mannerheimintie 20, Mikkeli, staircase B.
4 persons or 320 kilograms. I can go in first. I can do her as young brown buttons. Built in 1971, age 25787. 4 persons or 320 kilograms. This elevator appears to be not the same as this one.
Why?
It has automatic doors. Oh, it doesn't have doors.
Oh.
Well, that's quite dangerous.
It has automatic doors. Oh.
Yeah, full memory. I like this older style Kone classics.
Yep.
Like this one.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, some of the lights have been replaced with LEDs.
Yeah.
Is this a LED?
Appears to be. But this one isn't LED.
Yeah.
Open the panel and try and look.
Inspected by Kiva, inspected, maintained by Kone.
Don't. Why do we always do that?
I don't know, because you're stupid.
And you are autistic.
You are autistic.
I am.
Yeah, you
I
are.
am.
I'm not.
I am kinda.
You hate Asperger?
Yeah.
That's it.